Kinamtang pai ni phai troga ni lakhaing ko raisi Borjan constituency angkang KSA KARSA KRA KAASDCOM lapen Dillai aradatum chilang petpen Assam Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker Dr. Numal Momin Karbianglong lapen di bahasau hemprek hang Article 244A puthak kaning jedam kichok chejok Dillai along air set prung set pen asyang tong chepadosi Dr. Numal Momin Amephi kekaipon Karbi Students Association amai phu archok singna chunbang dewan sing be KARSA amai phi rani timong pi chunbang phi jun timong pi KAASDCOM amai phu rup sing timong chunbang chandro teron lapen KRA amai phu bidya sing timong atum pensi japon lo Article 244A ke Karbianglong lapen di mahasau arat ajir kiding kloipen ke hang mate akar I constitutional rights law pipot si alangli aphong Karbi akimangalong kilangrem kang nek choy lapen lam the chupaklang der lasi alang lia phan pinrem pon loputra Karbi Students Association lapen KARSA atum pen lam the chupaklang pon
protest to against we condemn for the Dr. Numal Momin we the Karbi Student Associations KARSA KRA and KAASDCOM and to all the Karbianglong we condemn and all the Karbianglong, we condemn Dr. Numal Momin for his statement for saying that since our brother and sister has been sacrificed for this our autonomous state, and he has saying that all sacrifice done by our brother and sister by Karbi and Dimhausers, he has been saying that our statement, our demand is useless. So we condemn Dr. Numal Momin for saying such statement, since he is the deputy speaker of our Assam, and since he don't know what is the constitutions of 244A, and he's saying that all the facilities is given to our Karbi, but how he forgot that we Karbi and the Dimhausers, all the Dimhausers, we all are sacrificing for this autonomous state.
Along inut MLA akai alang di dalam kaninje kecok je ini tum ningkan di gap amlo non an kepleng hombre kacesang alo sita meli tumban medical college dolo tang ho lason dolo tang ho lasinon ke nang tum article 244A le ko pisken nang lang la ana so selo palam nang ki po pasinili tum ke la alang li Numal Momin pan mangke kondem nang kok lo nili tum ke pini bangke me phi kai nang kok lo ko pi pasike kai ke nang kok manili tum song pe nili tum Dillai hawar ke doan nili tum KRA tado lapen KAASDCOM branch pen tado lapen tu KSA tum pang tang lo lapen tu Karbi solo mai tum tado lo lasana tak KSA unity tum tado lo lapen tu adhet tum bangke politician pen tado lasi nili tum bangke an ke la bangke nili tum kopi posi la sepot condemn de dat po article 244A ke India constitution na long si article 244A nang kipi pitang kok arona teng alang ita kacini nele la solam kaninje kali si tamelang li cini lor sinili tum Karbi apan ke tekiting panang lang plot pensi la analan nang kaninje posi nili tum tapini al nike nili tum cesok nang kok
Dillai pen bijoy rong pi Karbianglong live